Guys, let's check this fish. Oh, that's good. So I'll put it there in here. That's not all I like this, guys. It's from the spring from the lid. That's very nice to put in there. The lemon zest. Good YouTube friends. Today guys, magluluto tayo. We're gonna cook the ardina. Since a bit early, like 6 o'clock here. We got this rice, 1 cup. This cup that I use, not the cup for rice cooker. This is the 1 cup, but my 1 cup here, the mug is done full, so that's 1 cup for me. I wash it thoroughly, so there is no milk color on it. And I'm gonna chop this nice aroma. And then a half cup or half amount of this red onions here. Chop it finely. After this it's cooking a little bit, I'm going to cook this olive oil. Now I follow this onion now, and then I'm gonna follow this one garlic, but I'm going to chop the garlic first. So I follow the oil after this onion. So a little bit of oil only. So probably 2 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna put salt and pepper that side. But first I'm going to heat it up with oil. Olive oil and a little bit of vegetable oil. Or mix. Okay. That's pretty much it. And when this boiling, I just put a little bit of vegetable oil. Then I'm going to chop my garlic now, guys. So after I chop the garlic, I put this garlic for that one, and I've got this snapper fish here. Actually, I washed this rice thoroughly. When it comes, there is no white anymore. So we don't have trouble in our guts when it comes to when they spray the rice, with something. Anyway, I got this snapper, probably like $10 of this. Yeah, that's good enough for me. I'm going to this is still thaw from freezer, very frozen. I'm going to leave it for a while, 5 minutes maybe, until the deposit it, and I'm going to marinate this and cook it separately. And later on, I'm just gonna go cut half cup of tofu, marinate it. So I just put it together with the rice, vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Alright, I can eat both. But anyway, guys, see, I'll come back to it while I'm chopping this one. So now, guys, let's have a look with the thing that I do here. See, this one is nice and cooked now. See, it cooked thoroughly. The garlic, the onions, and what else? This is nice. Soft. The kamatis or tomato is soft enough. So I've got rice here, 1 cup. It's gonna go for this one. We got the wash rice. Okay. Going to I cook rice different, guys. It's my style, and it's really good because the chef is liking like this style. He likes a little bit of savory. They don't like a plain rice, but sometimes they don't like the plain rice, the the steamed rice. Most of the time he likes it the way I made like this style. So I cover this or covered it for 2 minutes or 1 minute, and after that I come back and I will put the water. This is 1 cup of rice, so therefore I'm gonna pour 1 cup and a half of rice of water. Actually I can do it now. Most often I just leave it for a while, 1 minute at least. Yeah, I already put salt and pepper. I seasoned it with a little bit of pinch of stock. Alright, I've got some water here, guys. This water is 1 cup, so I'm gonna need 1 cup and a half of this. Another one. Okay. I got 1 cup and a half, and I'm gonna leave this here. And you just cook it slow. And after a few minutes it will cook. So I'm gonna go jump with my okay. Before it cook, I will actually put half handful of my hand with the dried grapes or raisins on it. So here I've got this salt, pepper, and everything here. This one for my tofu as well. This for my tofu. Chop this and this. And my tofu here. I already washed the tofu here, and it's already. I dried the tofu through this, and I lift the half through the fridge. And I'm gonna chop this. And the ingredients are this. To marinate my tofu, I'll chop it finely, and this. I put salt and pepper a little bit, and tiny pinch of our vegetable stocks. See? Just like that one, because I'm gonna put salt and pepper as well here. Himalayan pink salt, gonna put that one when I chop this with the size that I'm liking. Alright, the fish is almost there. Oh, it's still hard. Leave it for now. I'm gonna wash my hands so I can chop the tofu now. You hear that right? Oh, good. Anyway, I'll go ahead and chop the tofu, and I'll come back to you and marinate it and finish yours. Cheers. Or before I cook this, because I'm going to marinate this 5 to 10 minutes also. Hey guys, I'm cooking this and it's already cooked. It's a 1 piece. It's just good for 1 or 2 people. This is a red snapper fish. I marinated it. Salt, pepper, pinch of vegetable stocks, or you have some beef or chicken, you can do that, but I have only vegetable stocks, so I did it. Salt, pepper, and that's it. Marinated with oil, olive oil, mixed with tiny bit of vegetables. Oil, and voila. This is like probably 5 or 8 minutes that I've been cooking it. This time I put it in slow, so it won't burn. Look at that, guys. And honey as well. Now I'll go get the rice. To put some rice in the corner. This is not oil. I'll put a little bit oil. That's more on steaming. Cheers. Happy eating. Yeah. Alright guys. The rice is cooked now. It's gonna go serve the vegetarian people. It's nice because it cooked already. My tofu here, she's slightly burned, but it's okay. I think I put it very high. 2 minutes later, I come back from the thing, a little bit slightly burned, but it's alright. It's no big deal. So you have to put very slow. So what I do, so I did that. I've got this sultanas with me, so I just get that amount. If you want it more, I just go back and then go back and get another one. Same time with the tofu. Now I'm cooking my fish. Let's go serve the tofu, guys. Tofu. Yeah. night we didn't cook gulay or veggies soup. It's okay. Just serve that, it's okay. And I'm gonna serve them with the top side dish here. Spinach.